On Windows 11, users still have use iTunes to sync and restore data from iOS devices, such as iPhone, iPad and iPods. The Apple devices app is meant to replace these functionalities from the iTunes app. The new app offers the necessary feature to backup devices, sync local media and restore the device's firmware. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install Apple devices on Windows 11 from command prompt. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start. Search for CMD. Right click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. Type the following command to install the Apple device app on Windows 11 and press enter. Press Y. And press enter. After you complete the step, you can start the music app from the start menu. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.